Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Clean the rear lens and remove any obstruction, because night mode needs clear optics. Next, open the camera app from the lock screen or home screen so you're immediately in photo view. Once done, point at a low-light scene. Night mode appears automatically when light is low. Make sure iOS is current so the software handles exposure correctly, and tap to compose. This quick setup gets you into the first actionable step without unnecessary delay. You see the night mode icon. Tap it to reveal the exposure time slider. This is where you control how long the camera collects light. Once you adjust the slider, choose a shorter time for handheld shots or a longer time when you can stabilize the phone. A tripod yields the sharpest result. While composing, tap the subject to lock focus and exposure, then nudge exposure compensation if highlights look blown. These steps let you optimize sharpness versus brightness and explain why stability matters. Press the shutter and hold the phone steady until night mode finishes the multi-second capture. This is crucial because the sensor merges frames to reduce noise. If results are blurry, shorten the exposure time, stabilize with a tripod, or recompose to a brighter area to let the camera use a faster capture. If night mode doesn't appear, restart the camera app, toggle airplane mode briefly, or reboot the phone. These actions clear sensor or software hiccups and restore normal night mode operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.